Hello everybody, today I will show you how to fix LEGO Fortnite spawning far away bug problem. If you find this presentation helpful, please consider subscribing and liking. Method 1. Place the birds in your village to lock down your spawn. You have to force respawn by creating a new world. After creating a new world, you have to add friends as a key world key holders and try again. If everyone spawns in the same village, then you have to place beds in your village to lock down your spawn. Method 2. Build a bed. Gather 10 woods, build furniture, storage and select a bed to continue. After build a bed, you can move your bed to any location wherever you want to set your spawn points. Keep the bed in safe place and rest on it to set the spawn location in your LEGO Fortnite. Tip: after you have set the respawn location to your bed, you will respawn near your bed when you die in game. Method 3. Explore the world in single player mode. If multiplayer is not important for you, then you should explore the world in single player mode in LEGO Fortnite. That's it. Thanks for watching.